Charlie, okay, watch this video.
The picture of what to say. I say, Debbie be or be over the next time, 10 years. I'm with the I say, when yes, it can be nothing, it's not like it seems as if it's not like that. The way you are saying the story, no? Because 2 years, 3 years, and China supposed to hit here. Again, on our
Yes, I was working before I married her.
Yes.
I started a business, I said, I'm worrying. Oh, and see, you're worrying. I started making money before I went to marry her because your wedding, me and my family, your wedding, once the crown in
okay.
I did all share, everything, okay. Engagement, near money, medical worrying.
Okay.
So if I never had money, I couldn't have married because we had a very luxury wedding. What I said was a very luxury wedding. Okay. So I had money before I got married to her. Okay. So I spent a lot of money marrying her.
Okay, so there's this particular picture here. Say you're wearing this red shirt. Is circulating online. Say that time or no, like Obuawa na Fedi and they were being sika. You've seen that at the American. Yeah. At that time, I would take that picture. What was the occasion?
So at that time, no, I think we went for a social event. Okay. You know, as couples, we went to a social event.
Were you poor when you took that picture?
I had my car. I was driving her in my car. So before I married her, I bought a car.
Okay.
My VW Passat. I bought my car.
It's VW now. It's nice.
Yes, my Passat.
Also, ACC no so.
ACC no so.
And now then they call event.
And call event.
And things say they are not here and now we try that.
Oh, yeah, worry no. Your engagement anyway. My car I use here.
Okay.
I use my car.
And now then they call you.
And see, I had a car before I got married.
It's that the be narrative no. And I'm say and then no. Yet see once say no correct and na enye no.
Delay. We see near man na muti eni na no. 99% of it no. Enye no.